Namaste students, welcome to biology class. Today we will discuss the topic 11th standard biogeology, organ and organ system in animals. Next topic, reproductive system. The reproductive system, it is reproduced to the young one. Yes? Okay. Today we will discuss the earthworm reproductive system. Earthworm is the friend of the farmer. Yes? Yeah, correct. Earthworm are the hermaphrodites or monoecious. Hermaphrodites and monoecious male and female reproductive organ is present in the same individual. Male and female reproductive organ is present in the same individual. So self-fertilization is avoided. So male and female is a same body. So self-fertilization is the possible. Yes or no? Yes. What is the fertilization? Fertilization means the fusion of the male and female gamete. So self-fertilization means it is the same body. It is a fusion of the male and female. But the self-fertilization is avoided because two sex organs mature different times. Same body only, male sex and female sex, but the maturation is the different times. So that means the sperm develop earlier and then the production of the ova. So sperm is the develop the earlier, then the production of the ova. It is the protandrous. So this cross fertilization only is present. What is? It is a cross fertilization only. It is a present. In the male reproductive system, the two pairs of the testes is present. So testis is the male. It is the sexually part. Yes or no? Yes. So this two pairs, there is a two pairs of the testes is present. So two pairs means 4. So 11th and 10th segmentation is present for the two pairs of the testes. So the testes give rise to the germ cells or the spermatogonia. So testes give rise to the germ cells or the spermatogonia, which develop into the spermatozoa into the two pairs of the seminal vessels. So seminal vessels already is known. It is a seminal vessels is the male reproductive part. It is a one of the part. The two pairs of the seminal funnel is called the ciliary rotices. Ciliary rotices are situated in the same segment as the testes. So அதே segmentலயே இந்த testisம் இருக்கு. The ciliated funnels of the same side are connected to long tube is called the vas deferens. Vas deferens also it is a one of the male reproductive part. The vas deferentia it is a run up to 18th segment. It is a open exterior through the male genital aperture. The male genital aperture containing the two pairs of the pineal setae. So the male genital aperture la da two pairs of the pineal setae irukku. What is the role of the setae? The setae is the copulation organ. Copulation means the fusion of the male and female gamete. Okay. The pair of the prostate gland, thus 18 to 19 segment. இந்த prostate gland எங்க இருக்கு? 18ல இருந்து 19th segmentல இருக்கு. The secretion of the prostate gland, it is a cement the spermatozoa into the bundle. It is known as the it is the spores. இதில் என்ன செக்ரேட் ஆகுதுன்னா prostate gland, it is cement the spermatozoa into the bundle is known as the spermatospores. இது வந்து spermatospores வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. எஸ் ஓகே. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மேல் reproductive part of the earthworm. Okay, we will see next one is the female reproductive part of the earthworm. So the female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries in 13th segment. Female reproductive part எங்கே இருக்குன்னா 13th செக்மெண்ட்டிலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. பிகாஸ் the earthworm is the monoecious body. Monoecious mean male and female sex organisms present for the same individual. Yes. So the 13th is starting for the female sex organ. The each ovary has a finger-like projection. It is which contain the ova in linear series. So ovarian funnels are present beneath the ovaries which continue into the oviduct. So ovarian funnel are present beneath the ovaries which continue into the oviduct. The open the pair of the genital aperture on the ventral side is the 14th segment. ஸோ இந்த ஜெனிட்டல் அப்பாச்சர் எங்கே ஓப்பனிங் ஆகுதுன்னா 14th செக்மெண்ட்டில் ஓப்பனிங் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஸ்பெர்மடேசியா spermaticae or seminal receptacle, the three pairs lying in the segment 7th, 8th and 9th. So opening the exterior on the ventral side between 6th, 7th and 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. ஸோ இந்த லையிங் செக்மெண்ட் எங்கே இருக்குன்னா 7th, 8th and 9th இருக்குது. பட் ஓப்பனிங் த எக்ஸ்டீரியர் ஆன் வென்ட்ரல் சைட் பிட்வீன் 6th to 7th, 7th to 9th, 9th and 8th and 9th segmentation. The receive the spermatozoa. The receive பண்ணது spermatozoa. Spermatozoa is the male sex organ. அதை வந்து ரிசீவ் பண்ணது it is a partner and store during the copulation. ஸோ அதை ரிசீவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதை வந்து ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி தான் it is a copulation நடக்குது. Copulation mean it is a fertilization. It is a male and female. It is a fusion for the processes of fertilization. It is a copulation. Okay. All of you see this diagram for the reproductive part of the earthworm. So earthworm is the friend of the farmer. It is a segmented body. All are you know. Yes. Okay. Now we see the reproductive part of the earthworm. First one is the brain. So brain is the very important part because it's controlling center. Then peripharyngeal interior. Then subpharyngeal ganglion. The next one is the spermatheca. Spermatheca is the male sex organ. Then testis is present. The testis is the both two pair of the testis is present. Two pairs mean 4. The seminal funnel is present. Seminal funnel it is traveling to the sperm. Then 13th segment, what is the present? That 13th segment is present for the oviduct. Yes, the 13th segment, it is present for the ovary and oviduct. Then prostate gland, this side is present and pineal setae is the isolated பண்ணி நம்மளுக்கு காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. Okay, this side, it is a seminal vessels is present. Vas deferens is present and prostate gland also is present. Prostate duct, this is the prostate duct and this is the prostate gland. So this one only it is a lamitomaruti. This is a reproductive system of the earthworm. So earthworm is the nerves. It is a very beautiful arrangement. Yes, yes. Then this brain also it is a very beautiful of the brain. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So the reproductive part is the finish and we will see next one. It is the copulation. This part also is present. The mutual exchange of the sperm occurs between two worms during the mating. Mating means fusion. One sperm has to find another worms and mating just opposite. It is a just opposite gonadal opening. The exchange of the sperm, the mature egg cells in the nutritive fluid are deposited in the cocoon that produce the gland of the sebum, which also collect the partner's sperm from the spermaceae. The fertilization and development occur within the cocoons. So fertilization is the fusion of the male gamete and female gamete and development occur within the cocoon stage, which are deposited in the soil. So after about 2 to 3 weeks, each cocoon produces the baby of the earthworm. So cocoon stage only, it is a produce the baby of the earthworm. So development is the direct. So the no larva during the development. So development வந்து டைரக்டாக டெவலப் ஆகிறதுனால இதுக்கு லார்வா ஸ்டேஜ் வந்து ஆப்சண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ the reproductive system is the finish. We will see next one is the life cycle of earthworm. earthwormோட life cycle நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்கலாம். The life cycle of the earthworm, it is a Lamatomoruti. The Lamatomoruti, it is a start in the life cycle from the fertilized egg. Fertilized egg mean it is the fusion of the gamete, it is producing the egg. The egg are held in the productive the cocoon stage. Cocoon, it is the larva, next stage is the cocoon. The cocoon have the incubation period of 14 to 18 days. குக்கூனோட இன்குபேஷன் டைம் எவ்வளோ சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா 14லேருந்து 18 டேஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. The hatch to release the juveniles. The juveniles undergo changing of the non-ciliate form in the phase 1 after about the 15 days, which then develop the ciliatum called the ciliate at the end of the growth phase. So first phase is the, it is the maturation phase, and second one is the growth phase, and third it is the taking the 15th to 17th day is the completed during the reproductive stage. So earthworm is the copulate and later their cocoon in the soil after about the how many days? 10 days. The life cycle of the Lamatomoruti takes place is the 16 day to complete. ஸோ அதோட லைஃப் சைக்கிள் எவ்வளோ டேஸில் இருக்குன்னா ஒன்லி ஃபார் த 16 டேஸ்க்குள்ளேயே அதோட லைஃப் சைக்கிள் வந்துட்டு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த லைஃப் சைக்கிள் ஆஃப் த எர்த்வார்ம். ஸோ திஸ் லைஃப் சைக்கிளோட நம்ம டயக்ராம் பார்த்துடலாம். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் த earthworm. So earthworm life cycle. The first one, this mating, it is the first phase is the growth phase. So growth phase between the 14 to 18 days is the growth phase. It is the starting for the, it is a juvenile. Number first one, it is a ciliated. Ciliated law, it is a reproductive period, and it is a development of the cocoon formation about the 10 days. So cocoon is the present. Cocoon is the incubation about the 15 days for the cocoon stage. The cocoon stage is the developed to the juvenile phase. It is the growth phase 1 between the 14 to 18 days, and is the non-ciliated phase. And non-ciliated phase is the developed to the growth phase 2 it between 15 to 17 days. After that is developed to the ciliated stage. Then next one is the same, it is a mating, and is the cocoon stage and juvenile phase. It is a, so this is the life cycle. So this life cycle only, it is a life cycle of the Lamatomoruti. Okay. So this now only it is finished for the earthworm. It is the anatomical structure and morphological structure and nervous system, reproductive system, circulatory system fully. We will see next one topic is the cockroach. Okay, already you know cockroach is one of the arthropoda family. Yes or no? Arthropoda mean it is the study about the insect. So cockroach is the one of the insect. So arthropoda family, already you know arthropoda is the largest phylum in this invertebrates. What are the phylum is the invertebrates? Invertebrates phylum are Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Hasselminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca and Echinodermata. Yes. So before you finish for the earthworm, no. So earthworm is the Annelida family, Annelida phylum. So now we will discuss the cockroach. Cockroach is the Arthropoda. Okay. First we will discuss the Arthropoda cockroach. The cockroach, what is the zoological name of the cockroach? It is the Periplaneta americana. What is that? Periplaneta americana. First off, the Periplaneta is the species name, then Americana is the genus name. So already you know the all the organism, the botanical name also is the 2 is present and zoological name also it is the 2 is present. So cockroach, the zoological name is the Periplaneta americana. So okay. The classification of the cockroach. The classification of the cockroach is the phylum Arthropoda. Class is the Insecta, order Arthroptera, and genus is the Periplaneta, and species is the Americana. Okay, once more I repeat. Phylum is the Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Arthroptera, genus Periplanetae, species is the Americana. Okay, now we will see the cockroach. Cockroach is the typical cosmopolitan and the insect exhibit the all the fundamental characteristic of the insect. Yes, cosmopolitan insect. Already you know the cockroach. It is a wing. The wings also is present. It is always is a live in the dark. It is a places only is present for the cockroach. Yes. Okay. The generally cockroach are the reddish brown or black body with a light brown margin in the first thoracic segment. Yes, thoracic is a just region. Cockroach பார்த்தாலே நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் it is a reddish brown கலரில் இருக்கும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா black bodies with light brown margin is a present for the thoracic segment. They were the omnivorous animals. Omnivorous already you know. Yes, okay. Then nocturnal and living in the damp and warm places are the quite common in the kitchen, hotels, and bakeries and restaurant and crowds and sewage and public places. So all the places is present for the cockroach. The Periplaneta is the folial, it is a swift runner and animal. That is the dioecious and oviparous. Dioecious mean what is the dioecious? The earthworm is the monoecious because the male and female is present for the same body. Yes. So the cockroach is the dioecious. Dioecious means male and female is the separate body. So the separate sex is present, male cockroach and female cockroach. The oviparous. Oviparous means it is the egg laying animals. They inhibit the parental care. They carry with them it is a harmful germs of the various bacterial disease like it is the cholera, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid, hence is known as the vector. So cockroach is the one of the vector animals. What is mean by vector? Vector means disease producing organism. ஸோ இந்த காக்ரோச் வந்து நம்மளுக்கு டிசீஸை வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. வாட் ஆர் த டிசீஸ்? காலரா, டயேரியா, தென் டியூபர்குலோசிஸ் அண்ட் டைஃபாய்டு. ஸோ த காக்ரோச் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த வெக்டர் அனிமல். வெக்டர் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் அ spreading the disease. Okay, so next one we will see the morphology. Morphology mean external character. So cockroach ஓட external character எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். The morphology, the adult cockroach are about 2 to 4 cm in length and about 1 cm in width. ஸோ அடல்ட் காக்ரோச், ஒரு பெரிய காக்ரோச்சை நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம்னா அது வந்து 2 to 4 சென்டிமீட்டரில் இன் லென்த்தில் இருக்கும் அண்ட் 1 சென்டிமீட்டர் இன்ச்சில் இருக்கும். The body of the cockroach is compressed dorso-ventrally, bilateral symmetrical. What is mean by symmetry? Symmetry mean division of the body. Yes, yeah. பாடி வந்து நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணால் கரெக்ட் ரைட் அண்ட் லெஃப்ட். ரைட்டில் என்னென்ன ஆர்கன்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதே ஆர்கன்ஸ் லெஃப்ட் சைடும் இருக்கிற மாதிரி வர்றது தான் bilateral symmetry. So symmetry mean it is a division of the body. So cockroach is the bilateral symmetry. Okay, and the divisible into the three distinct region: head, thorax and abdomen. So cockroach வந்து நம்ம 3 டிவிஷனாக நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். head region, thoracic region and abdomen region. So the entire body is covered by the hard brown color chitinous exoskeleton. நம்ம காக்ரோச்சோட அந்த பாடியை பார்த்தாலே தெரியும், ஹார்டாக இருக்கும், ப்ரௌன் கலரில் இருக்கும், சிட்டினியஸ் எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். எக்ஸோ மீன்ஸ் அவுட் சைட் ஆஃப் த skeletal system. Skeletal means it is study about the bone only. Yes, okay. So all the human and other animal is the inside the body. So endoskeleton only. நம்மளுக்கெல்லாமே நம்ம பாடிக்குள்ளே தான் நம்மளோட skeletal system இருக்குது. பட் காக்ரோச்சுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்னா எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன். எக்ஸோ மீன் அவுட் சைட் ஆஃப் த skeletal system. அதுக்கு வந்து அதோட பாடியை விட்டு வெளியில் தான் வந்துட்டு எக்ஸோஸ்கெலிட்டன் இருக்குது. The each segmenting, it is a segmented body, segmentation division. So the exoskeleton had the hardening plates called the scalarids, which are jointed together by the delicate and elastic articular membrane, arthrodial membrane. The scalarids of the dorsal side are called the targeters. Those on the ventral side is called the sterninids, and those on the lateral side are called the phylloids. The head of the cockroach is the small and triangular right angle of the longitudinal body of the axis. The mouth part are the direct downwards to the hypogynous. The formed by the fusion of the 6 segment. So segmentation division இருக்கு. How many division? The 6 segmentation is present. The shows the great mobility on all direction. எல்லா directionுமே அது வந்து travel பண்ணும். Due to the flexible neck, thus it is a more flexible neck. Then head capsule is a pair of the large sessile and reniform compound eyes. It is present for the compound eyes. The pair of antenna and appendages round the mouth. The antenna have the sensory receptor. Sensory means way of feelings. Yes, antenna, அந்த ஆண்டனாவை வச்சு தான் அது வந்து என்ன நடக்குது, வாட் இஸ் த வே ஆஃப் தி சரௌண்டிங்ஸ் அப்படின்னா அது தெரிஞ்சுக்குது. The help in monitoring this environment, the appendages form the mouth parts which are the biting and chewing type. ஸோ biting and chewing typeல தான் இது வந்து இருக்குது, இதோட mouth part. The mandibulate or the arthropteryx type. The mouth part consists of the lambrium, upper limb, the pair of the mandibles, the pair of the maxilla, and lambium, it is a lower limb, and hypoparnox, it is the tongue. Then lingua. So this fully is present. What are the ஒரு மவுத் பார்ட்டில் என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். The mouth parts consist of labrum, it is a upper limb, and pair of mandibles is present. The pair of maxillae is present. Lambium, it is a lower limb is present, and hypoparnox is the tongue also present, and lingua also is present. Hypoparnox or the lingua, it is a tongue. Okay, so we will see next para. First we will see the one morphology structure of the cockroach. Okay, all of you see, this is the cockroach. It has a head also is present, and is the tignia is present, mesothoracic legs. So legs is present, but legs is present for the thoracic region, just region la irundha and legs vandu start ஆகுது. Then hind wings is present. So 2 pairs of the wings is present. Yes, so this is the hind wings. then abdomen is present, then anal serisi. Anal serisi is the eliminating part. Then filiform is present, antenna also present. Antenna only, it is a sensory part of the cockroach. Then compound eye also present. Prothoracic legs is present, protomum is present, mesothorax is present, metathorax is present. Metathoracic, it is a legs also is present. So first one is the external structure of the cockroach. Then B is a head dorsal ventral view. So this is the dorsal view of the this cockroach. Dorsal view, the antenna also is present. Then first maxilla. Yes, and labrum is present, and labium, and labial palms, and maxillary palms. Then it is a dorsal and ventral view, the same only, it is a antenna, first maxilla, and labium, and labial bulb, maxillary bulb. Okay. Then next one is the male and female ventral view of the posterior segment abdomen. So posterior segment abdomen, male and female. First one is the male. So male, it is a segmentation is the anal serous is present. Then anal style also present. Then this two only present for the male. Then female is the one layer is the extra is present only. So post anal serous is present, and oviposterior valve. Oviposterior valve, it is a leg laying valve is present. Then this one only, it is a female. So this, what is the difference between for the male and female cockroach? The male cockroach is the anal style is the extra is present, but female cockroach, the extra is the ovipositor valve is present. So this is the difference between for the male and female cockroach. Okay. So we will see next one is the thoracic region. The thoracic consists of the three segmentation. What are the three segmentation? Prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. What are the prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax? Prothorax segment is the largest. The head is connected with the thorax by a short extension of the prothorax called the neck or the cervicum. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of the walking legs. So thoracic region la walking legs vanda irukku. Due to the presence of the three pairs of the walking legs are called the hexapoda. Hexa means 6, poda means fit. So hexapoda 6 feet irukku. All the three pairs of the walking legs similar in the legs consist of the 5 segments. Coxa, it is a large. Trochanter, it is a small. Then femur, long and broad. Tibia, long and thick. Tarsus, it is the largest segment of the legs. Tarsus have the 5 movable joint or podomerus, tarsomerus. The cockroach has the 2 pairs of the wings. Already you know. Yes, cockroach ku evlo wings irukku? 2 pairs of the wings is present. The first pair of the wings arise from the mesothorax and protect the hind wings. First pair of the wings க்கு பேர் வந்து mesothorax. அது protect பண்ணது எதனா hind wings. When the rest and is called the elytra and the or the dechmina. The second pair of the wings arise from the mesothorax, metathorax and are used to the flight. So first pair of the wings is the protecting the body, and second pair of the wings only it is a fly. So the abdomen is the both male and female consist of the 10 segment. அப்டோமனில் மேலுக்கும் ஃபீமேலுக்கும் எவ்வளோ செக்மெண்ட் இருக்குன்னா 10 செக்மெண்டேஷன் இருக்குது. ஈச் செக்மெண்ட் இஸ் கவர்ட் பை த டார்சல் டர்க்கம், த வென்ட்ரல் sternum and between the them narrow membranous plural or the each side. In females, the seventh sternum is boat-shaped. Together with the eighth and ninth sternum form the broad and genital pouch. Those anterior parts contain the female gonophore, spermatotheal spores, calcareal gland, and posterior parts constitute the thecal chamber which the cocoon are developed. The male genital pouch on the hind end of the abdomen, bound dorsally 9th and 10th terca or ventrally by the 9th sternum. So, the contains a dorsal annulus and ventral male genital pore. In the both the sexes, in the ரெண்டு sexesுமே genital aperture are surrounded by the sclerites called the ganapophysis. The male bears the pair of the short and the slender anal tails in the 9th sternum, which are absent in the female. இந்த 9th sternum வந்து ஃபீமேலுக்கு வந்து ஆப்சண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. The both sexes, the 10th segment wears the pair of joint filamentous structure called the anal cerci. The bears the sense organ, the receptive to vibration in air and land. The 7th sternum of the male has the pair of large and oval apical lobes. The gynovalvular plate which form the key-like structure which distinguishes the male and the female. ஸோ இதை வச்சு தான் நம்ம வந்துட்டு அந்த மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேலுக்கு நம்ம டிஃப்ரென்ஸையே நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். ஓகே, இப்போ வந்துட்டு நம்ம அந்த டயக்ராம் பார்க்கலாம். திஸ் டயக்ராம் ஆஃப் த ஹெட் அண்ட் மவுத் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த cockroach. All of you see the head. Head is the labrum is present, mandible also present, and labium also present. Maxilla is present and ocellus present. Compound eyes also present. Then mouth part. This one it is a part. The next one is the labium. It is a separate. Then maxilla and mandible and labrum. And mandible, what are the parts is present? Gliding region, incising region also present. This is the maxilla. So, this is the parts of the cockroach. It is a mouth parts. So, next one. Okay, this also is finished for the morphology structure of the cockroach. The next one is the anatomy. We will see the next class. So, thank you students.